Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on a 2010 Seat Ibiza 6J. So what we do is we hold this button down here, we switch on the ignition, hold it for 2 seconds approximately, release it, push this one and switch it off. So when we switch the ignition back on again now, we should see that the service indicator has been reset. There we have it. There's no service indicator reminding me I need to service the car. There's no spanner coming up on the little instrument panel. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to Driveway Dudes. And you can also find us on the usual social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Blogger and Twitter. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.